What the heck are you doing?
Ah,
What the heck are you doing?
I'm looking at my Sentry Mode videos.
You're ridiculous.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about how you can view your Sentry Mode and dash cam videos from anywhere. Sitting on the toilet, or while you're watching TV, or while you're in bed.
When you're in the car, while driving, or while parked.
And all of this is just from your app. No dongles, no removing anything from your car, no transporting things back and forth or plugging in or unplugging. You can view your footage at a time and place that's convenient for you. All you need is this product, your phone, a Wi-Fi connection, and you're good to go. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so let's talk about the product. The product is called Roadie. And essentially what it is it's a Raspberry Pi. If you're unfamiliar with what a Raspberry Pi is, think of it as a really mini computer. And this Raspberry Pi has 1 gig of RAM built on it so that it can handle the software that it's running, and it's available in both 64 gig and 128 gig. It's available right now. You can actually go to tryroadie.com, ROADIE, and order one today. Now, what's unique and cool about Roadie? Well, many of you have a USB drive currently in your cars. If you don't, I highly suggest you get one. And what that USB drive is doing is it's capturing footage. It's capturing dash cam footage when you're driving. It's capturing Sentry Mode footage when you've parked your car and are away from it. And if something were to happen, you have to review that footage, which either means you have to unplug it and plug it into a computer, or as I've talked about in the past, there are ways that you can plug it into your phone and view footage that way. Well, this makes it such that now you don't even have to plug it into your phone. It comes coupled with an app which is free. You can actually download the app right now. It's available for both Android and iOS. And you can actually play around with the app and see what it's like to view some sample footage that's built into the app. So let me take you through the app and show you what you can actually do with Roadie. So when you start up the Roadie app, you're presented with a demo mode, or obviously to connect to your Roadie. If you haven't purchased the Roadie yet, click on demo. You can take the app for a whirl. Of course, I'm showing you what you can get here, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect to mine. So when you click on connect, it's gonna ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. On your first configuration, it will configure that itself. So because the Roadie is a mini computer, it's got its own Wi-Fi network. And so your phone connects to the Wi-Fi, and that makes it really convenient. Also, that's how it connects to your home Wi-Fi, enabling you to see all your footage anywhere in your home that you get Wi-Fi. So upon loading that up, you're taken to the recent menu. Now, I haven't been driving, so I've got nothing in my recents, but I'm gonna take you through all the tabs here at the bottom. The first one is Sentry. When you click on Sentry, you're presented with all your Sentry Mode footage, so anything that was captured while on Sentry Mode. You can look at, it's labeled by the date and how long ago it was. You can swipe through all of the clips that were recorded. They all have timestamps at the bottom. If you want to click on one, you click it and it will actually load up all 4 camera views all in one screen. And it starts to play immediately. You'll see it buffering and playing at the same time. You can play it at 1x the speed. You can play it faster. There was that Sentry Mode video of that guy walking by. I can scrub back, and right there, that's what triggered it, set it off. So quickly saw that. You can see if I see a footage that I want to click on, I just click on it and it brings it up full screen. It's really nice. Now from the all 4 video screens, you can click on the download button on the bottom right, choose which camera footage you want to download, or download them all. Anyway, quickly going back, then you can go into saved footage. This is footage that you clicked on and hit save that automatically downloaded. Here they are right here. I think I saved a footage of somebody driving rash or something of that sort. Don't know if I can find it on here. Oh, I think I remember. A motorcyclist drove by and quickly clipped the car that was driving next to me. My idea here was to get it quickly on here, thanks to Roadie, I was able to download it fast, and then wirelessly transfer it to the guy in the car next to me. Unfortunately, because of traffic, we didn't line up, but it's a pretty good idea on how fast you can get the footage from there to phone while you're driving. It's pretty incredible. If we go back, you can, obviously I saw there are some recents that was just now in the garage. If I click on favorites, this is footage that if I was looking through saved or I was looking through Sentry mode footage, let's reload that here. You can actually, you see there's a little star there, and that will save that footage to your favorites, which is really nice. The other thing that you'll see is as I swipe back, you'll see this was the video that I viewed before, and you'll see there's one view located on there. So that's how you know that, hey, I viewed that footage already, and you know not to view it again when you're looking for stuff. So that's favorites. And now in the last tab is settings. Here's where you can enable hotspot access. In some cases, Wi-Fi from the Roadie to your phone may not work perfectly. What's really convenient is now you can enable hotspot access. So you turn on the hotspot from your phone, have the Roadie connect directly to that. This is all the benefits of having Roadie because it's got Wi-Fi, and that enables a really strong connection and allows you to grab the footage really quickly. Underneath that, you'll see the enable home Wi-Fi access. That's where you put in your home Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi name and the password, and that's what it'll connect to. Underneath that, it'll tell you what your Wi-Fi strength is. Here it's 94%, which is great. The device version, of course, Roadie can update the device through the app. Really cool. Who else does that? Tesla. See the similarities? Any case, it also shows you the device disk usage. Now, you know Tesla kind of frees up that space automatically, but you can go in here and do the same. Speaking of freeing up footage, if you look up here, you'll see a delete button. So you're able to delete footage that you don't want from a specific zone or specific file and so forth. So it makes it really easy to clear up footage if you want to do it, or obviously you know that Tesla's going to do it on its own. Now, I've been really happy with Roadie. I think it's been a great tool in my car to have. So if you're looking for something that's really convenient, a convenient way to access your footage while you're at home, or you don't have time to fumble around and plug it into your phone in your car right away, check out Roadie. The developer actually just launched. I've been testing this out for him for a couple months now, and so, you know, small independent business provider, he's, you know, made this great tool. A lot of, you know, coding and stuff went into the product as well as the software, and so check it out. It's at tryroadie.com. You can purchase it now, 64 gigs or 128 gigs. Easy, convenient, safety, security way to monitor the footage in your car and manage that. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Check out tryroadie.com and let me know what you think. Again, questions, leave them down in the comments. Also, if you have any questions for the developer or the designer of Roadie, you can reach him on Twitter at tryroadie. It's at tryroadie. Hit him up if you have any questions, and he'll be there to answer your questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.